Hello everyone, it's Mark Barnes here, and today I'm going to show you a quick video how to install custom patches into your Korg Wavestate. Okay, so on the screen here you see the Wavestate librarian is open. So to install my custom patches or anyone's custom patches, we go to File, Import, and then you need to navigate to the patches you want to install. So I'll go to my own Wavestate Volume 3 and I'll see there's a Programs folder and a Performances folder. Let's click on the Performances folder, and then what I'm going to do is, you see all my individual performances. I'm going to hold Shift, click the top, go down to the bottom while holding Shift and click the bottom. So I select them all and then hit Open. Okay, now that's all you need to do to install the programs. On my screen it says no changes required in this import. Well, that's obviously because these patches are already in my Wavestate. Okay, if you were to import them into yours, it would say import successful or something like that. Okay, and we would repeat that process for the programs. So I'd go File, Import, and we'd navigate to the Programs folder, and we'll hold Shift at the top. While holding Shift, click the bottom so that we've selected all the programs, and then hit Open. Okay, and then again on my screen it says no changes required in this import, but that's fine because these patches are already on my Wavestate. It'll come up in yours, import successful. Okay, thanks. I hope that was a help to you.